Guys, ayan, merong lilinis ng kalsada. Me. Ayan, tagalinis ng kalsada, guys. It's snowing.
What? Look at this armies.
And guess what? Anak, hindi ko siya mapalatingin dito.
I don't think so.
Video.
I don't think so.
Why? Why is it like that? Okay guys, so we are picking Abby. We're picking Abby at school. And Yuki is here. Aww. Can't. Yuki is here with us. Coming with us to pick up Abby. And her school. The road is slippery. Oops! Oops! It's so slippery, guys, because they didn't clean yet the road. And also my car didn't clean well. As you see, you can see
Can you see outside?
ang head ng aking head of my car, still lots of snow. Snow! Ayun, anak na snow. Ano dun sa aking wiper sa likod. No, precious. Don't open the windows. Everyone are keeping slow.
Satisfied to keep key. Say thank you. Here. Fresh air.
Don't worry, Yuki. Mama will be gentle, okay?
And then brake really hard after.
I'm not. I am a good driver if Yuki is here. Right, puppy?
Only if you give in the car.
Yuki, if you are here, Mama will be gentle so that you will not scared.
You have to go for the pet store.
I'm not sure. What they are doing? Why they are... Oh my god. They're doing jaywalking. OMG.
And you have a baby too.
And they have a baby. Oh my god. Why people doing that? And the pedestrian is almost here. OMG.
Do you like it?
I like it. Yuki, tell Guapo, I like it. And these guys also doing OMG.
You like it?
OMG. Where can we park? Saint Anne, where can I park? How delicate we are here, are they? They are where? Ano ba yun? Ayan, ayan, ayan. Nick!
We're in front of you.
You're in front of you. Danica and Abby. Yuki is here, princess. Princess, Yuki is picking you up. Chico, there's a car in the back.
Mama.
I love you, baby. Are you happy that Yuki pick you up? Princess?
How's school? Abby.
Where? Put seatbelt on.
You have fun in school, Abby?
Princess, are you having... Is seatbelt on? Okay, good. So we are going to Starbucks. How's it? Do you like it?
Abby, what do you want in Starbucks? Do you want cake pop? Yeah.
Anak, saan ang Starbucks?
So it's that way.
Where?
It's that way.
Okay.
And then you turn right on the stoplight.
Turn right or turn left?
Turn left, my mom's telling me. I have no sense of direction. Like Yuki boy.
In cheap side, right?
Yuki Buki. Nice face.
It's so too slow because of this snow. What this guy is doing? What to Oh, whoops. Okay. Are you okay, guys? We are going to Starbucks or no?
Going to Starbucks.
Princess, do you want?
Okay, Danica, look at this thing.
Anak, paibo mo si Yuki kay Abby. You know Abby miss
She missed
Yuki.
it.
Yes, she is.
If it doesn't. Oh! Face.
Precious, ang snow. Ang heater natin, open yung window mo. Oh my God.
But Yuki Buki likes the snow.
Not so much. Only like that.
Yuki Buki so happy.
What's for our... Oops. What happened?
Yuki went forward so fast when you did that.
I'm sorry.
Mama, Starbucks.
Why is Yuki so big?
I know, he
It's just
grew
me?
so big, right?
Why did he grow?
He's not gonna know that, don't worry.
What the?
You seen Yuki for... You didn't see Yuki for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Mama, it's right there. It's right after this bottom part.
I know.
You do?
Where?
It's right beside Harvey's.
No, it's not. It's all the way to A&W. Just keep going.
DQ.
Beep. Yeah,
DQ, yeah,
yeah,
DQ.
DQ.
Oh my
Before
God.
the stop, you see Nikki right there? You see
Yeah.
It's right there.
Yeah. I saw. We are here
Make sure
in
you order.
Starbucks.
Make sure you order a cappuccino.
You are the one to order. I'm not the
Nicole
one to
will
order.
I will get the same thing. It's called the banana bean.
That's the cotton candy.
Well, I don't know.
Come here. It's in the middle. It's in the middle.
can't. She's already a single.
Or she can take it off.
No, she can't. She's a
Sa drive-through?
Yeah, of course. Actually, we can go inside if you want, but I don't have money.
No, they're not doing starting next week. That's the time we are good to go inside.
Can I feel your nose?
Yes, you
Ew, it's wet.
can.
Yeah, because he licks it. And
Yes, you
his nose needs
can.
to be hydrated and moist. It's okay, Abby, you can touch him. He's not gonna bite. It's okay. Don't be scared. But he's not gonna bite because
Is he crying when he does
when my mom cries, he cries. I don't know. His stomach's probably going blow.
Where's the DQ drive-through?
He
Where's
knows how to high five
where's the
now.
drive-through of
I
oh
saw it in the video
Oh, you did?
when you did
Yeah.
that.
that? I think he took all his shit.
This is DQ, no? Oh, that's Starbucks, right? Alright, yo, Yuki Buki. Do you want cake pop, Abby? Yeah.
Okay guys, we are here. Please pull forward if you need assistance ordering. Okay, so we are here to order in Starbucks. Bye bye everyone.
Roll
Thank
down
you
your
for
window. Roll down your window.
Thank you for watching and mabuhay.
Hi there, how are you today?
Hi, can we have ano yun na?
Cotton candy frap.
Cotton candy
Frap.
prop?
Cotton candy frap. Medium. What size?
Medium please.
Perfect. And then, what do you want, Nick? Vanilla bean frap.
Vanilla
Bean
bean
frap.
prop?
Oh my god.
vanilla bean frap.
Yeah.
And one puppuccino.
So one cotton candy frap and one vanilla bean frap.
And one
Puppuccino.
pappuccino?
Yeah.
And one pappuccino please.
And one cappuccino.
Mhm.
Anything else for you?
Anything else na?
One
Ano yung kay Yuki?
puppuccino. That's cake pop. Two cake pops. Two cake pops.
2 cake pops?
Yeah.
2 cake pops please.
Cake pop, this one, okay?
Yeah.
What do you want, Abby? Chocolate?
She's got her chocolate.
What chocolate? What you want?
Just one vanilla and one chocolate.
1 vanilla and 1 chocolate please.
One birthday, one chocolate.
Yeah. Ano, naklibre yung kay Yuki?
Yeah.
Alam nila?
Yeah, they know that.
They know?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. That's all.
Okay.
Have a great day. Anak, hindi naman natin sinabi.
Huh?
Hindi naman natin nakasama si Yuki.
No, they just know that. Like, puppuccinos are just free in general.
Ah, okay.